most of the people think styling to be shopping. How is styling different from shopping?
Styling is not just shopping, it's a much deeper work. Styling is a deeper work, understanding your body type, understanding your color, understanding your lifestyle, understanding your personality. I am very surprised that people don't take colors seriously because it's a second skin. Like, one we have this and second we have this. See that how the right colors lift your mood and lift your confidence. And
I'm excited for it. Do it. Hello everyone. Today on our show Off Script by Dr. Meghna Gupta, we have Parul. She's a stylist and color consultant. She believes that your style is not what you follow trends. You should wear your own confidence. Your own personality should reflect through what you style yourself. So thank you, Parul, for coming to this show.
Hi Meghna, thank you for calling me. I'm loving it. I'm loving the vibe already. Yeah.
Oh my God! And we are wearing such
Yes,
colors.
I
Well,
love,
already
I
we are
love.
vibing.
The color consultant, the first thing I notice is the skin color and the person who's wearing the right color and you wearing your color.
Really?
Yes.
If we take this further, if somebody who's really fair, what colors should they avoid?
See, it's nothing about fair or dark or dusky or
Oh.
anything. My color may be the same season of somebody who's fairer than me. So these are undertones, and it's not segregated between dark and
Oh, so
dusky.
the complexion doesn't,
It doesn't decide.
decide
it doesn't.
what
the
color.
undertone.
Interesting.
Yes, undertone and color. I am very surprised that people don't take colors seriously because it's a second skin. Like, one we have this and second we have this, right? It's a second skin. So the wearing the right color, I will in fact do a chota sa color analysis for you, and you will see that how the right colors lift your mood and lift your confidence. And
I'm excited for it. Do it.
yeah, we'll do that.
Hmm.
See, if you can you see you're the doormat, your under eye is popping up the dark part of under eye. Can you see the
I can see
pigmentation, right? Can you see the
Yes, this
pigmentation?
color is not mine.
Yeah, this is not your color because it is making your skin dull,
Dull.
right?
You usually see me in those.
See, look at this.
I
Look at
so
this.
bright.
Yeah, see, Shaurya is also saying wow because it's her color. Anything like
Neon is I like
neon.
neon.
See, you say I told you it's your color. Look at this.
This is
Hot
what
pink,
I'm wearing
right?
already.
What you're wearing. See, look at your skin. It's glowing. It's aligning with the color, right?
Nice.
Look at this. Yeah.
I
look
don't
at this.
like this though. but
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. So these are like if you are going for the muted pastel colors, these are the colors. The colors are like pink color is for every tone. So you are bright spring. You are like, and actually you are like a sunshine. You sparkle wherever you go. Your colors are all bright. You can pick up any bright color.
This was a very interesting exercise. So, what would you say for me? The color, of course, was pink, yellow. red.
Thank you, Fast, for
Really?
letting me do the color analysis for you. You are bright spring, right? So you are a warm undertone. Anything bright and sparkle, you are the sunshine. You enter the room with the bright. You have attractive, very sharp features. Your eye color, your hair color, your skin tone, undertone, warm. Right, so everything is bright, so you can go for all out with bright colors. So anything muted, dull will
Not
pull you
go.
down. It's not something
Yeah, I
meant for
agree
you.
with you. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
how I am. I like to wear
Yeah,
that.
yeah. So
I think this is very interesting. I think everyone should do a color analysis.
absolutely, absolutely. Color analysis. Speaking up, people are really getting serious about this thing. I wear right colors. When I got my color, I am completely opposite of your color. I'm deep autumn. So in deeper colors enhances my color.
Personality,
They align with me more.
Parul, could you throw some light on styling? Most of the people think styling to be shopping. Like, they say, okay, I'll take my stylist to shop. How is styling different from shopping?
Yes, I think we've been doing this job from pretty long time. Styling is not just shopping; it's a much deeper work. It's like intentional dressing. Styling is about knowing yourself. Styling is basically first impression when you see a person. what do you notice? You notice a person first before he or she speaks. So
Absolutely.
styling is a deeper work, understanding your body type, understanding your color, understanding your lifestyle, understanding your personality, your vibe,
Your profession.
and putting all together in the same frame strategically. And that's what styling is all about. It's not just shopping.
I think, Parul, if I would like to ask, because I'm myself a little confused, I feel we are really blessed that we are Indian women because we get to wear saris and other ethnic wear. We get to wear the modern short skirts, dresses, even the Indo fusion. So, how would you put styling here for an individual who likes to play around with different kinds of clothes or has a like a rainbow kind of wardrobe, like full of colors, all different, whatever is coming trends? How would you put it as a styling for that person?
Okay, as a stylist, if you ask me, you're defining a person who understands herself, who knows what styling is, and experimental about her wardrobe. So, suppose if I talk about you, we know each other, I've seen you, so you very well carry every a piece of wardrobe, be it sari, you look stunning in sari, you're wearing a stunning color and short dress. So, this is what styling is. So you're not confining yourself that I look good in saris, so I will just wear saris. You are experimenting with different silhouettes, different styles, different fabric, different cuts, different fits, and that's what styling is.
But then sometimes I'm not able to justify. So
Yeah.
where does your role come here?
Suppose if my role as a stylist will come that if you are styling a sari, right, you are wearing a certain sari in a normal Sida pallu, you're wearing a sari, then I probably, if I come, I will suggest you can wear it with a blazer, you can belt it up, you can wear it with a denim jacket, you can wear it with a waistcoat. There are multiple ways of wearing one sari in a different multiple ways, and that's what we do. We maximize wardrobe. So we don't tell go out, let's go shopping with us. We say take us to your wardrobe, we declutter your wardrobe, we keep the pieces which are relevant for you, and then from one pieces we make at least 5 outfits.
Wow.
So that's what styling is all about. Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
And where does color coordination comes here? Because see, if you ask me, I don't like earthy colors. If I were to put, so ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जिनको ये color पसंद नहीं है, किसी को neon, वैसे मेरी बेटी को neon colors बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. तो color therapy तो नहीं, color consult जो आप करते हो वो इसमें कहाँ फिटिंग होता है?
सो मैं आपको बताती हूँ कलर साइकोलॉजी क्या होती है. और कलर कंसल्टेंट नॉर्मली ना हर इंसान को अपना कलर्स पसंद होते हैं और वो अट्रैक्ट उन्हीं कलर से होता है जो उसका सीजन है. सो यू नो इफ आई टेल यू you are attracted to the colors that are your colors and you are that season, and that's why you are attracted to those colors. That's
Like
right
bright
for
colors.
you. And I've met your daughter Adya, and why she is not, because neon is not her color, neon is your color, right? So this is how color psychology works. So that's how, like, I am attracted to the color. So when I have done my color analysis, I came to the palette of colors which are my colors. And surprisingly, how you are always attracted to the right colors which are fit for you. So
पारुल, बहुत से लोग ना ब्लैक को बड़ा सेफ कलर मानते हैं. ठीक है, ब्लैक पार्टी ड्रेस में माना जाता है. तो आई वुड आस्क यू फ्यू क्वेश्चन. जैसे ब्लैक पे आप थोड़ा सा बताओ. कुछ लोग गोल्ड सिल्वर से बहुत दूर भागते हैं. आई सीन मेनी पीपल हु डोंट वांट टू वेयर गोल्ड और सिल्वर. कुछ लोग सोचते हैं ये तो हम फ्रीक्वेंटली विमेन की कॉन्वर्सेशन, मैं मोटी हूँ, मैं भी बोल जाती हूँ मैं मोटी हूँ, मैं पतली हूँ, मेरी बॉडी ऐसे नहीं है वैसी नहीं है. तो एज अ स्टाइलिस्ट आप कैसे हेल्प करते हैं?
देखिए, यही सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. हम क्लाइंट से डील करते हैं तो सबको लगता है कि काला बहुत सेफ कलर है. लाइक ब्लैक मेरे को पतला दिखा देगा, ब्लैक मेरे फ्लॉस छुपा देगा. स्टाइलिंग पहली बात तो फ्लॉ छुपाने के लिए होती ही नहीं है, राइट? स्टाइलिंग होती है आपकी जो आपकी प्रेजेंस को और एनहांस करने के लिए, राइट? सो वो फ्लॉज, वी डोंट टॉक अबाउट फ्लॉज. हमारे लिए कोई फ्लॉज है ही नहीं, राइट? So even for the skin, there is not a perfect skin. So there is never a perfect body. So you can't say कि ये perfect body है. It's like normal human being कैसे आप उसको स्टाइल करते हैं. काला जैसे आपने बताया, normally लोगों का एक ये नज़रिया है कि काला मुझे like safe है. वो बहुत गलत एक myth है ये, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. लाइक अगर कुछ लोगों के काले के भी लाइक ऐसा, अगर मैं कलर कंसल्टेंट के हिसाब से बात करूँ तो काला भी बहुत तरीके का कलर होता है. म्यूटेड होता है, एबनी होता है, चारकोल ब्लैक होता है, तो अब वो कलर किसी के ऊपर तो अच्छे से एनहांस करता है, किसी को बहुत खिल के आता है और किसी को एकदम डल बना देता है. आप देखेंगे, आप खुद ही आप लाइक यू विल सी कि कभी कभी काला
certain people हाँ sometimes
people
they will-
like you know जैसे आप खुद ही बोलेंगे कि काला काला कैसे हर एक यूनिवर्सली एक सेफ कलर माना जाता है, बट कईयों के ऊपर ऐसा लगता है कि उनको उनकी पर्सनालिटी और उनका स्पार्कल बिल्कुल लाइक यू नो किल कर दिया है।
और जैसे सिल्वर और गोल्डन वो भी बहुत लोग ना बड़ा डरते हैं एक्सपेरिमेंट।
Metallic is very good for Indian skin tone. अगर if somebody wants to carry metallic, silver हो गया, gold हो गया, but वो undertone के ऊपर depend होता है कि आपकी undertone कैसी है। कुछ लोगों की neutral होती है, वो both silver और gold carry कर सकते हैं, और कुछ की warmer tone should go for gold and the cooler tone should go for silver.
जैसे हम ये कलर्स की बात कर रहे हैं, ब्लैक, रोज गोल्ड हो गया, सिल्वर हो गया, मेटालिक, जैसे ब्राइड्स आती हैं।
हाँ जी,
यू मस्ट बी गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ ब्राइड्स। तो मैंने कई बार देखा है कुछ लोग तो रेड लहंगे में बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, कुछ लोग पिंक पहन लेते हैं, वो उतने वो क्राउड में ना मर्ज हो जाते हैं। तो आप कैसे गाइड करते हो यंग ब्राइड्स को, बिकॉज़ दे वांट टू लुक डिफरेंट?
ब्राइड्स ना कैन बी अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट फॉर अस आल्सो समटाइम्स, बिकॉज वेडिंग्स आर वेरी इमोशनल, इतना इमोशन होता है, इतना खानदान वो होता है। तो यू नो एज अ स्टाइलिस्ट समटाइम्स वी आर वेरी अपफ्रंट कि आप पर ये नहीं अच्छा, लाइक यू नो जस्ट इमेजिन टेलिंग माय ब्राइड ये नहीं, वो पिंक लहंगा पहनना चाह रही हो, मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, राइट? सो वी रियली exactly it's a difficult situation, so we tell, but sometimes we have to give in, so we as much as we can say save the bride कि आप blouse complimentary something of her color पहन लो, और like a jewelry हम like you know ऐसा कुछ कर देते हैं। but ब्राइड्स कैन बी लाइक ऐसा होता है कि आई रिमेंबर हमारी एक ब्राइड थी, उन्होंने कहा मुझे मिनिमल चाहिए, लाइक यू नो मेरे को बड़ा सिंपल चाहिए। सो ओके फाइन, आप हमारे को रेफरेंसेस भेजिए। रेफरेंसेस उन्होंने सीक्वेंस के, फेदर्स के, केप्स के, जैकेट्स के, एग्जैक्टली। तो अब हर एक का यू नो बहुत डिफरेंट डिफिकल्ट, ब्राइड एंड वेडिंग इज अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम, इट्स ओवरवेलमिंग इमोशंस, फुल फैमिली ड्रामा, so it gets little tough for a stylist also to step into that.
So candid and so honest. Parul, whatever I know, you were in a corporate job, right?
Yeah.
So how did this journey, come from a corporate job to being a stylist? And
you know, I've been very blessed. So my corporate jobs were also in the similar. My work profile was something similar. I used to handle PhD parties. I used to handle Femina Miss Indias, their events, calendar shoots. Even for the travel companies that I've worked with, I used to travel. Very interesting portfolio. It was never
like a boring
job. I'm not made for boring things. I think so. So the only thing that as a self-employed that I feel that, you know, obviously I don't have that entourage of team. I am the only person. I am the team, one woman army. Exactly. So I am telling myself, beta ye kaam karna hai, fir okay man, mujhe ye kaam karna hai. So that's the thing. That's the only difference. But you know, building something from the scratch, be it my styling thing or my board games, everything is very creative, very meaningful, attached a lot of emotions, and makes bring smile on people's faces, like you know, very rewarding. So yeah, that's the only thing. And obviously this gives me, being a mom of 2 kids, it gives me a freedom of flexibility. I can set up meetings accordingly, I can work around my working hours accordingly, give time to my family.
So that's like a nice work-life
balance. Yeah, exactly. I had to quit because you know, in the kind of work that I had, it wasn't
erratic hours,
traveling, and you know, I'm out, erratic working hours, you can't really, like you know, and if you are working with a company, you have to
give it your best.
Yeah.
That's why I see most of the women, many of them, some of them, they give up because that's how their circumstances are, but many are able to find that right
path,
where they follow their passion, they're able to fulfill their ambitions, they're able to, you know, look after their kids and look after themselves as well. So I think Parul, you're setting a good example for many young girls.
You know, styling, I tell you, so my partner Shireen and I, we've started styling, like, you know, when we were working in this space, and we've realized that it's so important. People have this myth that styling is only for the celebrities, उनको चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है। Celebrities के पास तो बहुत और टीम होता है, उनके पास बहुत सारा टीम होता है। एक normal people like you and I,
एक आम इंसान,
like you know, next, हमारा इतना काम होता है, we have to go for weddings, we have to go for work, we have to go now for play dates, we have to meet our girlfriends, you have to go for conferences, like you know, so many things, and everything requires a certain kind of a intentional dressing, right? So that's what, like Shireen has started working on this whole concept of styling back in 2012.
Really?
Yes, we were in fact one of those first movers who used to do these videos, making those videos, and we used to, because we've always worked behind the camera, so when we had to start working in front of cameras making videos, and I was like, oh my god, I was like, thank god we are not celebrities or actors. It takes a lot of it's a tough job. It's a tough job.
कॉन्वर्सेशन में पारुल आपने बहुत बार intentional dressing word use किया. Could you tell me a little more details about what you mean by intentional dressing?
So intentional dressing is like something that the two things मेरे को बहुत बुरा लगता है जब आप किसी से खाने के लिए पूछो कुछ भी खा लेंगे, राइट, या हम पहनेंगे तो कुछ भी पहन लेंगे, नहीं, राइट, आप इंटेंशनल ड्रेसिंग होता है कि आपको पता होता है आप क्या पहन रहे हैं और आप क्या पहनना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स अलाइनमेंट, इट्स एनर्जी, राइट.
Occasion based or is it
No, normal. You're going for a conference. See, I tell you, you try it on your own. Like, the day you are feeling stressed, worked up, you have long day to look at, आप bright color पहनो, right? तो आपका that color will enhance, lift your mood, right? And it will be easier for you to just go through your day. जब आपका आप you're happy, you're energetic, even if you're wearing a muted color ना, it's not going to affect your mood. So anything that you are dressing up sharp, right, dressing up sharp, आप कॉन्फ्रेंस में जा रहे हैं, पजामा पहन के चले जाइए नाइट सूट में, डू यू रियली थिंक सो यू विल बी एबल टू वॉक एंड परफॉर्म एंड hold the audience like that? No, right? Or if you're tired and you have to sleep, and you can sleep in a blazer with a fitted and well cut power suit. No. So intentional is this, because every outfit is made for a certain intention, and you have to pick your intention, decide what do I have to wear, how do I have to look, how am I presenting myself to the world. That's intentional dressing.
Wow. Parul, when I spread a word around that my friend who's a stylist is coming, so I was thrown some questions by people I know. So I think they were very interesting. So I thought I'm going to ask you that fashion and confidence go hand in hand. What's one styling tip that instantly boosts self-esteem?
Well fitted outfit for me. Fit always comes first for me. Anything like a well fitted outfit boosts your confidence the minute you get into the outfit.
पर बहुत लोग अपने बॉडी इमेज को लेके कॉन्शियस होते हैं पारुल.
So well fitted is not always about
tight fitting.
हाँ, it's not tight fitting, right? Exactly. Well fitted is not कि मैंने यहाँ से tight. No, well fitted according to your body type, and that's why it is important कि आप अपना body type पता करो कि आपका body type क्या है, ठीक है ना? आप
तो बॉडी टाइप में would you say जो वो pear shape,
exactly, apple shape, pear shape, hourglass, rectangle shape, all these shapes.
Right.
So everybody has a different shape, and over a period of time आपका shape भी बदल जाता है. जो
Of
आपका
course.
like 20s में होगा वो 40s में नहीं होगा. So according to some people I've seen, a lot of clients, they are stuck to their 20s only. Just suppose for example my weight has not मेरा ऑलमोस्ट सेम था, लाइक, हाँ, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि मैं जो 20s में पहनती थी मैं अभी तक वही पहनती हूँ. स्टाइल हैज़ टू इवॉल्व. इट इज़ एक्सपेरिमेंटल. इट इज़ अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हाउ यू आर चेंजिंग, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट इन अ कॉलेज एनी मोर, राइट? सो everything changes.
This is very nice, yeah. So style, well fitted clothes.
Yeah, the fit is very important.
Okay, if you had to curate a wardrobe for someone based on personality rather than trends, what would be your first pick?
I will go for monochrome, like the monochrome outfit. I think that gives you that's a canvas that I love accessories. If you see me, I love to add a little bit of drama somewhere, like that's my style. So a monochromatic look which gives me a lot of scope to put accessories on that person. Yes, that.
So that is where.
Yes, yeah.
So then what's your take on these quad sets? To be honest.
Okay, quad set has to be like some who are very well cut, nice fabric and designed nicely can, like
See Parul, you're smiling. मेरे लिए ना बहुत सारे quad sets night suit जैसे लगते हैं.
बिल्कुल, I agree.
मैं यहाँ सच बोलूँगी, बहुत night suit
बड़े night suit, वो night suit पहन भी लेते हैं लोग और बाहर चले जाते हैं.
Quad sets बहुत अच्छे लग सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा light जैसे ना quad sets को किस तरीके से enhance किया जाए कि वो night suit ना लगे.
यार देखो, जो नाइट सूट की तरह लग रहे होंगे ना उसको आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, frankly, right? And that's exactly because the quad sets, इतना ज़्यादा लोगों ने पहनना शुरू कर दिया ना, ओवर एम्ब्रॉयडरी विद द कॉलर विच इज़ लाइक कम्प्लीटली लाइक अ नाइट सूट कॉलर विद द पजामाज एंड दे आर आउट. I find them
जैसे
hideous.
मैंने भी अभी कोट सेट ही पहना
This
है,
is,
ये
that's
monochrome
exactly.
है।
This is not a cord set. Like this is like a very pretty waistcoat with a
Short
monochromatic
skirt.
look again with a skirt. So this is not like a cord set.
Mm.
Like this you can put that because of the same color. That
बट मैं वो जो क्यूलॉट्स या जो पजामे
पजामे
टाइप
के टाइप, वो जो नाइट सूट्स everybody with the
तो उसमें
embroidery.
व्हाट वुड यू टेल वुमेन उसको वो कैसे, जैसे वो बड़े कंफर्टेबल वेयर है, देखो
Stop wearing them, please.
somebody asked me that do ask Parul what is fashion psychology. For me, मुझे तो कभी वर्ड ही नहीं सुना Parul, fashion psychology क्या होता है?
See, fashion psychology is something like intentional dressing.
Oh, it's the same
Yeah,
thing,
it's
more or
almost like, it's almost like fashion is not vanity, it's alignment. Like, when you know yourself, that's where the stylist comes, right? A lot of time women, उनको पता नहीं होता उनका बॉडी टाइप क्या है, उनका कलर क्या है. नॉर्मली विमेन क्या होता है, अरे यार मेघना बहुत अच्छी लग रही थी इस पर, मैं भी ये पहन लेती हूँ, राइट? मे बी दिस इज नॉट माई कलर, मे बी दिस इज नॉट माई स्टाइल, मे बी दिस इज नॉट माई कट, मे बी दिस इज नॉट माई फिट, right? So fashion psychology is understanding your body type, understanding your color, understanding your lifestyle, understanding your surroundings, and aligning everything together is fashion psychology.
मैंने कई बार देखा है बहुत सी women ना confuse हो जाती है being photogenic and stylish.
Hmm.
Stylish, that's the right
Hmm.
word. Would you throw some light? कुछ लोग ना photogenic होते हैं, कुछ भी पहनते हैं, फोटो खींचो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. कुछ लोग फोटो में इतने अच्छे नहीं लगते जितने अच्छे वो देख
सामने आमने सामने
तो
रखते हैं.
इसमें भी क्या स्टाइलिंग का थोड़ा फर्क होता है, क्या करना
देखो,
चाहिए?
आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट इफ आई कैन बी कैंडिडेट. जैसे आपको भी पता होगा कि हर एक को लगता है कि मुझे तो अपनी स्किन टाइप पता है, मेरे को पता है मैं क्या क्रीम लगा रही हूँ, मैं तो अच्छी लग रही हूँ, ठीक है ना, जो कि सच नहीं है, ठीक है. ऐसे ही हर एक इंसान को नॉर्मली पहले यही लगता है कि मुझे पता है कि मुझे क्या पहनना है, आई डोंट नीड अ स्टाइलिस्ट, राइट? सबको ये पता है.
डिनायल मोड में रहते हैं लोग.
हाँ, डिनाइल में रहते हैं. सबको ये लगता है कि मुझे पता है, आई डोंट नीड अ स्टाइलिस्ट. When in fact some of our clients, like some of our clients, they hire us because they think that heavy duty work कर लेंगे, heavy lifting work इनका, like they are busy, they can't really look out for the outfits for themselves and everything, so they come as like कि ठीक है, मुझे I know my shit, ठीक है ना, आप बता दो, मुझे मत बताओ क्या पहनना है, ठीक है. बट
तुम्हारा काम क्या है वहाँ पे?
हाँ, exactly, but they need somebody, like they need somebody. People from the corporate women, they don't have time, they have so many things to cater to, they have town halls to cater to, conferences, party events, meetings, everything, and then they keep, but then slowly steadily when they start, हम थोड़ा सजेस्ट करते हैं, फिर वो बोलते हैं हाँ ठीक है ये अच्छा लग रहा है, then they understand a styling is a strategy, outfit planning is a strategy, it is like step 1, step 2, step 3 kind of a thing.
पारुल, मैं थोड़े से ना इंटरेस्टिंग उस तरफ चाह रही हूँ, सेलिब्रिटीज की बात करते हैं जिससे कॉमन इंसान उससे थोड़ा रिलेट कर सके. विद्या बालन, बहुत साड़ियाँ पहनती है क्योंकि जब भी उन्होंने वेस्टर्न पहना लोगों ने पसंद नहीं किया, जो कि मुझे इतना अजीब नहीं लगा. तो अगर किसी सेलिब्रिटी को लोग स्टैम्प करते भाई ये तो साड़ियों में ही अच्छी लगती है, या प्रियंका चोपड़ा, उसकी एक पर्टिकुलर स्टाइल सेंस है, उसी में हमेशा होना चाहिए, तो ऐसे क्या सेलिब्रिटीज की तरह नॉर्मल इंसान भी ऐसे ही करते हैं कि अपने एक पर्टिकुलर उसमें लोग उन्हें एक्सपेरिमेंट ही नहीं करने देते हैं?
हाँ, कुछ होते हैं रिजिड, कुछ रिजिड होते हैं. देन लाइक स्पेशली पीपल फ्रॉम द क्रिएटिव फील्ड, राइट? सो स्टाइलिंग इज ऑल अबाउट एक्सपेरिमेंटल एंड कैसे आप इवॉल्व होते हो. कुछ लोग बहुत रिजिड होते हैं कि मैं साड़ी पहनती हूँ तो मैं साड़ी ही पहनूंगी, लाइक
वो खुद से नहीं बोलते, लोग उन्हें ऐसा सोचने पे मजबूर. जैसे आप एक्ट्रेसेस देखो तो उतना इंटरेक्ट नहीं करे, पर भर भर के उन्हें फोर्स कर देता है कि वो एक पर्टिकुलर वे में ही हर बार अपीयरेंस.
Poor celebrities, we look at celebrities, some people have very bad stylists, yeah, मतलब इतना like there is a lot of scope with those celebrities, but they look hideous because they are following styling advice by the stylist. ऐसा नहीं होता है, but हाँ कुछ clients भी होते हैं rigid कि वो, और कुछ बहुत होते हैं experimental, that they are all out, they will come and say कि आप बताओ क्या करना है, right? That's where I actually love it, otherwise बहुत होते हैं rigid कि हम साड़ी में ही अच्छे लगते हैं तो आप हमें साड़ी सी बताइए, हमें बस आप different ब्लाउज का कट बता दीजिए. some people are even very rigid about कि मेरे को AC स्लीव्स का ही मैं ब्लाउज पहनती हूँ, इसे छोटा मैं पहन ही नहीं सकती, इसे बड़ा नहीं पहन सकती. तो वो really have to convince, because पर्सनल स्टाइल भी एकदम से चेंज नहीं होता, इट्स अ जर्नी, राइट? सो सपोज इफ आई टेल यू मेघना अब मैं बताती हूँ कि ऐसे ऐसे करो, तो आप मेरा डे वन पे नहीं बात मानोगे, आप थोड़ा थोड़ा मानोगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा. व्हेन यू सी, व्हेन यू गो आउट, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट लविंग योरसेल्फ इज व्हेन यू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग मी. सो इट्स अ जर्नी. पर्सनल स्टाइलिंग और स्टाइलिंग इज अ जर्नी. ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी एक दिन में मैं आई विल ऑल्सो टेल यू कि मैं भी आपका एक स्टाइल एक दिन में स्टाइल नहीं चेंज कर सकती. हाँ, इट हैज़ टू बी लाइक, यू नो, जब हम जैसे अगर हम कोई रेड कार्पेट लुक करते हैं, फ्रैंकली आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, वी चाहे मैं कितना भी चाहूँ कि ये माई क्लाइंट विल लुक amazing in this outfit, but if she's not comfortable and I may not be liking that outfit, I will style her with the outfit that she's comfortable, because she has to go out on the red carpet. She is like, has to cater to
So
the
you
public.
mean to say, see, कई बार ना स्टाइलिश लगने के लिए कंफर्ट जोन छोड़ना पड़ता है.
Agree.
So how
छोड़
could you
दो.
differentiate between comfortable to jeans t-shirt
हाँ,
and
like
bermudas
comfort
and
is
shorts?
not, like a lot of people say style can be comfort also, but
But a lot of
me,
times
my
वो comfort छोड़ना
my
नहीं पड़ता है.
personal, if you ask me personally, you have to leave the comfort. You can't be comfortable and stylish all the time.
Sometimes you can, but not all the time.
Sometimes you can. Like, you know, I don't like this whole oversized top to bottom. It has, styling is balance. It has to be proportion, right proportion. You can't be कि मैं झोला पहन के stylish लग रही हूँ. No, it's good for photo shoot. Maximum photo shoots, red carpets and everything. They are trying to give a different message, but not for a normal person. It's not. I don't agree. You have to have a little bit of comfort if you're looking stylish.
Right.
Yeah.
पारुल, कुछ जो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ, जैसे ब्लैक ब्लेजर आप कैरी कर रहे हो, थोड़ा आप बता सकते हो ब्लैक ब्लेजर के साथ क्या किया जाता है?
Yes. So basically, I can show you कि आप कैसे different
Let's
तरीके
do
से
that
उसको.
ना.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I have this black blazer. If I tell you to wear it, how will you wear it?
एक हाथ इधर.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, very good. अब ये मैं कर देती हूँ शुरू.
Wow.
See?
Nice.
See?
Yeah.
Nice, no? है ना?
हाँ, nice. ऐसी बैठा.
I like it.
Wow, I never knew ऐसी
See,
भी.
exactly. See,
तो पूरा टैग चेंज हो गया मेरा, है ना?
Yeah, exactly.
Even ये भी इतना तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है.
अच्छा ही लग रहा है. Black and pink are a very
Nice. Wow.
bold
And इसमें
combination.
what should be the footwear color then?
See, if you, the neutral one is going, but if you want to do a sandwich style, you can wear a black one.
Wear a
So,
black
yeah,
one,
yeah,
so.
that will stand out. Yeah. So one more this thing we can do. So this is what we call is maximizing outfit. So like I told you कि हम एक outfit से 5 outfit बनाते हैं,
Wow.
so that you don't feel bored कि हम एक jacket को ऐसे ही पहनेंगे normally.
So one has to buy all this, Parul?
Yeah. I won't give everybody this. I can tell them where to buy it.
Where to buy it.
Yeah. Oh God. See,
Nice is that?
nice, na? I'm loving it. See,
Yeah.
Nice,
I
that's
can't
what-
see the mirror. It's on your
She's
face.
stunning. You look Stunning,
How
stunning,
stunning.
yeah. Very nice. I love this.
So that's a part of styling.
Yeah,
which
that's
you,
a part of
which
styling.
you-
Exactly. So see, I gave you a blazer, you wore it like that, and how I've changed the whole this thing, and I
Nice.
made like 3 outfits from
Three
one.
outfits from
Yeah.
Parul, me being a dermatologist, of course, I'm going to ask you a question about skin. How do you take care of your skin?
Before meeting you, I was really abusing my skin. I'll be very honest. See, I've been blessed with good hair, good structure, good skin, and my working hours have been really erratic. I always come back late, putting on makeups, going meeting. I really have to. But I was actually not doing justice, and I really have to thank you that you really make me. I've never actually looked after my skin the way I do now after meeting you, and I believe me, I'm getting compliments every time, and whenever I'm putting, like, I didn't know that, a great skin, the makeup will look so much better on a
Yes.
great skin than a dehydrated dull skin. So I'm really thankful. I'm just following after you must know that after meeting Meghna, I always, no matter if I'm going back home at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I remove my makeup, put my creams on, and
How nice.
that
That's very
yeah,
nice to
and
know,
that's
Parul.
exactly like, it's not about the moisturizer, it's about the right moisturizer for me, which I didn't know. You told me. So exactly, for a stylist, it's not about the outfit, it's the right outfit. So
Absolutely. Very well put.
that's what we do. Yeah.
And one product that you swear by and one makeup product you swear by. Skincare and makeup product.
Moisturizer for the skin and blush.
Blush.
Yes,
I
I
knew
like
a stylist would say blush.
Yes.
Okay,
Hmm.
I'm going to come to the most interesting part of our podcast, which is rapid fire.
Oh,
and I
wow.
think no podcast can be complete without rapid fire because
I
thodi
feel
masti
like
bhi zaruri
coffee
hai.
with Karan rapid fire.
Oh my god, no, this is fast trip with Dr. Meghna.
Exactly, I'm on a better couch.
Okay, Parul, ready?
Yes, ready.
Morning person or night person?
Morning person. Or night when I'm partying.
So both. Okay, sarees or formal western wear?
For me, formal dressing, because
Western wear.
yes, otherwise I love seeing women in sari, especially you. I love it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Favorite purchase, shoes or bags?
Accessories.
Oh yeah, I should
Yeah.
have included that. How can I forget? Favorite colors to style, bold or neutral?
I think neutral.
Coffee or chai?
Chai.
Necklaces or watches?
Necklaces.
Mixing prints or bright socks?
I love both. I love the drama.
Heels, sneakers or bare feet?
For entrance, heels, and in my car, sneakers.
Wow. Weekend escape, mountains or beach?
Beach, totally. Everything has to be very aesthetic. I'm a stylist. A location has to be pretty.
Virtual styling or in person?
In person, I really have to. Though virtual styling also we does, but in person has that thing.
That
yeah,
vibe.
yeah, the vibe.
One trend you'd bring back from the past?
Mostly all the trends are coming back. Polka dots, swing eyeliner, wedges, everything is coming back. The flared skirts. So
Dream collaboration, Indian designer, international, and which one?
Indian, Sabyasachi.
My God.
I love
Amen.
this work.
I would say,
Yeah,
may your
yeah.
wish come true.
Yes.
I think this comes to an end. You were really good. You should be
Thank
getting a
you.
hamper, but I'm sorry, I don't have hamper. You were really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
This was episode 6 of Off Script by Dr. Meghna Gupta. You saw we had Parul, who made this whole conversation so interesting, so full of life. I enjoyed every moment talking to her. Keep watching this space for more. There'll be more men, more women from different aspects of life, different professions, bringing in different energies and vibes of this show. Keep watching us.